Hello, third grade. Problem number 2, the example problem, is actually a problem that you saw on your classwork 2 days ago. And I'm going to solve it here. I already posted it on the stream, but I'm going to solve it here so you can see how I solved the problem. So it says 6 students share 4 bagels equally. So I know that there are 4 bagels, and I know that there are 6 students. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my 4 bagels. So I'm going to draw bagel 1, bagel 2, bagel 3, and bagel 4. And I know there's 6 students and they share them equally. Equally is a key word because we know that all of the sizes must be the same. So I need to break each one into 6 now. I draw my 4 bagels, then I break it into 6, which most of us did a great job of doing. So I'll draw a line here. Again, I'm going to try my best to make all of the sizes equal because we do know that they said equal parts. So again, you draw the number of objects that there are, and then you break them apart or partition them into the number of people that you have or the number that you need to break it up to. So in this case, we are breaking 4 bagels into 6 because there are 6 people. So I create 6. Now I can do the same thing with the color to demonstrate. We have color 1 in here. I'll do the pen size a little bit bigger, maybe make it easier. So we have red here. I can do red here, red here, red here. That's one person or one student. Now I use green in here. That's student 2. And they're all getting a piece of each bagel because we broke each bagel into 6 because there were 6 people. Now as I'm doing this, I want you to start noticing what is happening. Because we broke it into the number of people, is anybody getting more of one bagel than another person? That's what I want you to think about. Look right now I'm drawing. Is everybody getting an equal part of the bagel, or are they getting different parts? And you should notice everyone is getting an equal part of each bagel. Everybody's getting one piece of each of the bagels. And our 6th person I'll use brown for, so I can shade that in. So I use 6 colors. A different color represents each student. And now we can look at what we have here. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I count it, each bagel is broken into 6 because we had 6 students. So I want to know how much does each person get? Well, let me count. I know the red represents student 1, so he has 1/6 because it's 1 out of 6. He has another 1/6 because it's 1 out of 6. Another 1/6 because it's out of 6, and another 6 because it's out of 6. So that's 4/6 for student 1. Let me look at blue. That's 1/6. That's 1/6. That's 1/6. And that's 1/6. So he also has 4/6. And I'll look at the brown one. 1 out of 6, that's 1/6. 1 out of 6, that's 1/6. 1 out of 6, that's 1/6. And 1 out of 6, that's 1/6. So 1, 2, 3, 4/6. So I know each student will get 4/6. Now again, pay attention to how I drew the model. Most of us did a good job of drawing the model, and then how I found my answers. So we had 4 bagels. I drew my 4 bagels, my circles. Try to draw them like bagels. Then there were 6 students, so I had to break each bagel, I had to partition each bagel into 6 equal parts. Then I used color just to represent that each person was going to get 1/6 from all 4 of the bagels. And if you add 1, 2, 3, 4, they will each get 4/6.